welcome, amazing ladies and gorgeous women, to my new video. Today we are going to explore the world of short hairstyles. If you have been searching for fantastic ideas to try pixie cut or style your short hairs perfectly, you have come to the right place. I'm here to guide you through the process and help you achieve that stunning and flawless looks. We all know how important our hair is in defining our style and confidence. That's why I have gathered a collection of mesmerizing styling tips and ideas that you will absolutely love. With these techniques, you will see a remarkable transformation in your hair that will leave you feeling empowered and confident. Imagine this lady is the magic color of these wonderful pixie cuts will enhance your overall appearance. From subtle highlights to bold undertones, get ready to be amazed as you see the stunning difference in your hair's look before and after trying out these stunning styles. I apologize if you hear any background noise, please bear with me, and I promise it will not reduce the enjoyment of this video. Now let's get started. I have a variety of short hairstyling ideas just for you. These hairstyles are not only stylish but also impactful. They are made to suit your preferences, whether you like a chick bob, a pixie cut, or any other fabulous short haircut. I guarantee you will fall in love with these ideas. Let's discuss the fascinating charm of grey, white, black and brown colors. Can you imagine how stunning your hair will be with these shades? The mix of black and grey creates a sophisticated and timeless appeal that is simply adorable and fantastic. These are just the best of the best hairstyling ideas tailored just for you. To give you a preview of what's coming, I have chosen some stunning images of women flaunting different short hairstyles from modern to elegant. You'll find perfect inspiration to showcase your unique style. So get ready to let out your inner fashionista and let your short hair shine wherever you may go. But wait, there's so much more. This video is not just about styling ideas. It is about transforming your entire look. My channel is a golden mine of useful content to help you achieve your dream hairstyle. From step-by-step tutorials to expert advice and guidance, I have got you covered. So be sure to subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell to stay updated with all the latest videos. Believe me, you will not want to miss the exciting content coming your way. And don't worry if English is not your first language. I know that English is not perfect, but fashion is a universal language that goes beyond words. As we wrap up this video, I want to thank each and every one of you for watching. Your support means everything to me, and it motivates me to keep creating content that uplifts and empowers. Remember, you are beautiful, and with the right hairstyle, you possess the power to conquer the world. Thank you so much for being with us today on our YouTube channel. We hope you enjoyed the showcase of beautiful and inspiring short hairstyles. Remember, your hair is your best accessory, and trying out different styles is a great way to express your creativity and embrace your unique identity. So go ahead, confidently rock those stunning short hairstyles and let your inner beauty shine. Until next time, keep flaunting those fabulous short haircuts and stay beautiful inside and out. And also don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on any of the latest trends and hairstyling ideas that we have in store for you. As we are near to the end of this video, I want to thank each and every one of you for being a part of this amazing and enchanting journey. And until next time, may you remain fabulous and continue to shine brightly. Also keep watching my videos. See you soon.